Hello everyone, welcome to latest news updated program. Here you will get to see on the daily basis topic wise current news under the latest news updated program. Today the topic of discussion is Indian Navy's Sri Lanka Navy maritime exercise SEALNEX 2025 begins. Let's see why in news. Recently, the sea phase of SEALNEX 2025 significant naval drill between India and Sri Lanka has entered its operational phase of Colombo, strengthens bilateral naval cooperation and enhance interoperability between the two countries' maritime forces. Exercise SEALNEX initiated in 2025, INS Rana guided missile destroyer and INS Jyoti fleet tanker arrived in Colombo for the 12th Sri Lanka India naval exercise SEALNEX 25th from August 14 to 18th August 2025, included a harbor phase with a professional exchange and cultural activities, followed by a sea phase with drills like gunnery exercise and a visit board search and seizures. VBSS strengthens the maritime ties between India and Sri Lanka, aligning with India's Mahasagar policies. Now let's see Indian and Sri Lanka relation. India and Sri Lanka share a long history of a cultural, religious, and trade ties. India leads tourism to Sri Lanka, contributing 4.16 lakh visitors in 2024. Adoption of India's UPI and the use of the India rupees for a trade settlement enhance fintech connectivity between the two nations. In terms of development cooperation, India has extended over USD 7 billions in aid and credit, including significant supporting during Sri Lanka's 2022 and crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic. The defense ties are also strong with a joint exercise like SEALNEX and Mitra Shakti. Will India act as a first responder in a disaster relief? Now it's time for practice question. The SEALNEX 2025 naval war exercise conducted in August 2025 took place between the navies of Indian and which countries? Your option is A. Japan, B. Sri Lanka, C. Maldives, D. Indonesia. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. If you watch more such videos on the daily basis, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, current news updated, and press the bell icon so that you can receive notification first. If you like the video, and please subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.